Most guys don't realize this, but women test men all the time. Not with huge dramatic moves, with small questions. Simple stuff that sounds harmless. And here's the part most men miss. One question can tell you exactly how she sees you. As a man she respects, or someone she feels she can push, control, or ignore. Today I'm breaking down 8 questions women ask that quietly signal she thinks you're weak. Most men hear these and brush them off. But if you actually pay attention, they tell you everything. Quick note before we start. A lot of people watching aren't subscribed. If this kind of relationship content helps you hit subscribe, it keeps the channel going. All right, let's get into it. Number 1. Don't you trust me? This one is a classic. She uses it the moment you question something. Late night texts, a new guy friend, random disappearances. She knows trust is a sensitive topic. If you press, you look controlling. If you back off, you look soft. Most men panic here. They rush to say, "Of course I trust you," even when their gut is screaming otherwise. And once you do that, she learns something important. You won't stand your ground. A strong man doesn't argue. He doesn't get emotional. He watches behavior, not words. Number 2. Can I borrow some money? Sounds innocent, right? Sometimes it is. But when it becomes a pattern, it's a test. A weak man hands it over fast, hoping it earns affection. But attraction doesn't grow from being her wallet. It grows from respect. A strong man gives because he chooses to not, because he feels pressured. He knows the difference between helping and being used. Number 3. Would you be mad if I did this? This isn't curiosity. It's a setup. She's already thinking about crossing a line. She just wants to see if you'll allow it. Weak men laugh it off. No, it's fine even when it's clearly not. That teaches her one thing. You're scared of losing her. A strong man doesn't dodge. He sets a clear boundary. No begging. No long explanation. She either respects it or she leaves. Number 4. Why are you so jealous? This one is meant to flip the script. Her actions raise questions and suddenly you're the problem. Weak men rush to explain themselves. I'm not jealous, I just... Strong men don't play defense. They know jealousy isn't the issue. Her behavior is. Number 5. Why do you care so much? Pure deflection. She throws this at you when you bring up something real. Questionable behavior. Other guys. Things that don't sit right. A weak man immediately second guesses himself. Maybe I'm overreacting. That's exactly what she wants. A strong man doesn't apologize for caring. Respect matters. Loyalty matters, and he won't pretend otherwise. Number 6. Why can't you just let it go? This is about avoiding accountability. You bring up something that bothered you. Instead of addressing it, she tries to shut the conversation down. Weak men give in to keep the peace. But every time you do that, you lose a little more respect. A strong man stays calm, but he doesn't abandon his standards. Number 7. Why do you care who I talk to? On the surface, it sounds reasonable. Underneath, it's a challenge. A weak man instantly backs down. I don't care, I was just asking. That tells her you're afraid to stand on your concern. A strong man doesn't accuse. He doesn't chase explanations. He makes one thing clear. Respect shows in actions. Finally, number 8. Why do you care where I've been? This isn't curiosity, it's avoidance. A woman with nothing to hide doesn't mind transparency. But when this question comes out defensive, it's a warning sign. Weak men shrink back, afraid of looking insecure. Strong men don't chase stories. They watch consistency. Words don't matter if actions don't match. Listen, these aren't just questions, they're quiet tests. If you crumble, she'll see you as weak, even if she never says it. But if you stay calm, steady and grounded, the tests slow down, and respect goes up. If this helped you, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more.